Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by mounting Google Drive and ensuring you have right access. This lets you store the env persistently. Once mounted, create a small plain text file named env in a safe folder and add key equals value lines for each secret. Install python.env in the notebook or prepare a short parser to read lines. This makes loading variables simple and repeatable. Make sure to avoid printing secrets. Treat the env like any sensitive credential store. Next, write the file programmatically inside your mounted drive so it survives session resets. You can run a short bash shell or Python snippet to open the target path and write each key equals value line. Once saved, confirm the exact path to avoid path errors later. Then install and import python.env and call load.env path to populate OS. Environ. This approach keeps code clean, prevents accidental prints, and ensures other cells can access variables by name. Finally, load the file using load.env with the explicit file path, then use OS. Getenv or OS. Environ. Get to access keys in your code. Make sure you never commit the env, add it to, git ignore and restrict drive sharing. If something breaks, verify the file path exactly, ensure UTF-8 encoding, and remove stray quotes or spaces around values. Those are the usual culprits. If variables still don't appear, rerun the mount and load steps to refresh the environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.